Tianjin Kimwan Carbon Technology and Development Company Limited was founded in 1998 and located in Hedong District, Tianjin. Since its establishment, Kimwan Carbon is always committed to R&D of special carbon and graphite materials. After more than 20 years of development, now the company has been a national high-tech enterprise and Tianjin science and technology giant enterprise. It is the largest R&D production base and talent gathering place of special carbon materials in China. And it is one of the few entities in China's special carbon and graphite industries that has a complete industrial chain. At present, Kimwan Carbon has obtained ISO 9001 quality management system and IATF 16949 automobile industry management system certification, and won the qualification of qualified suppliers at CNC. And Kimwan Carbon is the only company that has won the top 10 quality industry honorary enterprise of China's manufacturing awards in carbon material industry. Until now, Kimwan Carbon has set up 3 production bases: Tangshan Kimwan Special Carbon and Graphite Company Limited, Inner Mongolia Tangshan Special Carbon and Graphite Company Limited, and Anhui Kimwan Carbon Technology and Development Company Limited. Kimwan Carbon has the complete raw material preparation system, shaping system, baking system, impregnation system, graphitization system, and a complete processing system of graphite products. The major products are mainly produced by 4 categories: molding, extruding, isostatic pressing, and vibration. Kimwan Carbon's Kimwan factory is located in Lutai Economic and Technological Development Zone, Tangshan. The old and new factory area altogether covers 163 mu, and the building area of production workshop is 43,000 square meters. It mainly produces carbon razor, friction material, graphite products used for nuclear and aerospace industry, and isostatic graphite used for photovoltaic and semiconductor industry. Tangshan Kimwan Special Carbon and Graphite Company Limited drafted the industry standard of artificical graphite for friction material. Based on years of production and scientific research experience, the factory has developed a new type of graphite filler, high-resilience graphite, which can replace foreign high-end products and is still blank in the domestic market. A high-resilience graphite is an optimized product of artificial graphite. As a friction material, it can be applied to automobile brake pads, high-speed railway and aircraft brake linings to reduce noise and vibration, which has obvious effect on reducing abrasion, and has promoted the technical development of China's braking industry. The low-expansion mold graphite and high-strength sealed graphite material produced and developed by the company meet the engineering requirements of graphite materials in China's aerospace field. Kimwan Carbon's Tangshan factory is located at the foot of Tangshan Mountain in the city of Ulanka, Inner Mongolia. It covers an area of 52 mu, and the building area of production workshop is 15,000 square meters. It mainly produces conductive graphite, such as mold graphite and high-purity graphite electrode. The graphite electrodes produced by Tangshan factory can meet the purification requirements of solar-grade silicon and semiconductor-grade silicon. The annual quantity of the graphite electrodes reaches 300,000 pieces, which has reached the first place in the world in terms of quality, output, and market share. Kimwan Carbon's Anhui factory covers an area of 240 mu, with the building area of 90,000 square meters, and owns the Anhui Kimwan Special Carbon Material Research Institute, with the building area of 5,000 square meters. It carries out research and development, production, and application of lithium-ion battery anode materials, high-speed electric locomotive pantograph carbon slide and boots, hydrogen fuel cell bipolar plates, 3D hot bending molds of mobile phone, and silicon carbon graphite materials. Kimwan Carbon always regards technological innovation as the soul of enterprise survival and development. Through R&D and innovation, Kimwan Carbon makes full use of petroleum and coal resources, recycles and deeply utilizes of petrochemical residues and coal chemical waste. The extracted petroleum coke and pitch coke can be used as the main raw materials of special carbon products. This breaks technical barriers and foreign technical blockade. In the field of related basic materials, and contains remarkable economic and huge social benefits. Kimwan Carbon has more than 60 kinds of products, which belongs to the new material and new energy industry products, encouraged and supported by China. The products are widely used in metallurgy, machinery, chemical industry, electronics, energy, rail transit, aerospace, and nuclear industry. 60% of the products are sold to overseas markets, covering more than 40 countries, and the sales network is all over the world. Kimwan Carbon's mission is to continuously improve product structure, upgrade products, find the best product technology solutions for domestic and foreign customers, and provide the best quality products and the most satisfactory services. Brilliant prospect, bright future. Kimwan Carbon is willing to continue to work with all the friends in China and abroad to create a better future.